Do y'all see this texture? Do y'all see this? Who she look like?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. I apologize, I lost my footage of the initial unboxing, but for now, this is just the styling. Just sit back and watch, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Guys, let's talk about this beauty. I am reviewing the Harlem 125 Gogo Ultra HD lace in the style GL201 1B. That's her social, guys. Her social security number is GL201. That is her social. You know why? Because they didn't want to name her Neesha. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the specs of this unit. This is saying it's the Ultra HD undetectable lace. We know the spiel with that. That lace was coming off a little bit white. I did go in with my Even Tint spray just to kind of darken it up a little bit. But guess what? I still had to use powder. So I went in with a little bit of powder in the middle and bam! Opened it up. Made her come to life. Okay, now what else are they saying? So this is saying that it's curling iron safe up to 300 degrees. I agree. I did go in with my blow dryer on low heat and it was fine. I didn't even lose the texture of the wig. I just kind of flattened her down a little bit. So this is saying it's good quality for good price. You know what? You're right. You are right, Harlem 125. This is a good quality for a good price. You know why? Because do y'all see this texture? Do y'all see this? Who she look like? You know what? I know exactly why they put GL201 on here. This is the lab version of Neesha. They put this one in the lab just to kind of give an experiment and see if she could be a dupe. Yes, she can be a dupe. This is absolutely a 203 Outre Neesha dupe, okay? So I've been wearing my Neesha to death. You know, I feel like it's a really good wig, but honestly guys, this is a really good affordable option. I have my Neesha hair just to kind of compare it. This is my Neesha hair. I've been wearing my Neesha forever, ever. And I feel like the textures on both of these wigs are pretty much the same. This one does have a little bit more like crinkles or nope. She's a clone. She's a clone. So this was really simple to put on, guys. So this unit does come with those two combs. They're like right here. And then you have the one in the back. You have a ventilated kind of cap going on. And the cap initially to me was feeling a little bit snug, but it's fine. It's not too bad. I am noticing I am coming down all the way, but honestly guys, this hairline is so dense, I'm not going to be putting her up any kind of way. The only kind of way that I'll probably wear this unit is like this, or you can turn her to the side. Look at what the side does. So she's cute. She's absolutely adorable. I did have to go in and just kind of, I don't know what was going on with that part. At first it was just a little crooked. I think that's because she was made in the lab. That's probably why. She was genetically modified. But I have the color 1B. This texture is really soft. If you are a texture girl and you like natural textured wigs, this is for you. I know it's summertime right now. I know it's hot outside, but guess what? Some people have hair like this and it doesn't matter what time of the year it is. So if you're that type of girl that any kind of wear, girl, you know, this is absolutely for you. But if it's too much hair, then definitely maybe this is a winter wig, you know. But she's cute, y'all. She's absolutely adorable. I do recommend her. I was getting a little bit of shedding initially, but I think that's just because of the way I cut the lace. I'm not noticing a lot of colors in here, which I'm kind of disappointed in. I wish they had more colors. It's only like a 613, a 4, 1B, and like a red. Rose gold. Oh, okay, I lied. There are a couple colors. There's rose gold, there's 1B30s, there's like a 427 6 color, you know, so there's a few colors in there. I don't think it's a lot of specialty colors like Neesha, but for like simple colors, you know, she'll give you a few. I did go in with a little bit of heat from my blow dryer. If you notice, this wig is pretty thick, so I feel like you just kind of need to soften her up a little bit and kind of get her tamed and maintained. You know, she don't know how to act. You got to teach her these things. You got to teach her. Once you go in with a little bit of heat, I think you're fine. Over time, if she does start to get bigger, what you can do is go in with a razor comb, kind of thin her out a little bit, and I think you should be fine. But this is a good wig. I think she's a good natural kinky dupe if you like that. Anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that button down below. It's okay. I noticed a couple of y'all, all 75% of y'all watch the videos and don't subscribe. It's okay. But go ahead and subscribe because I know you keep coming back. You keep coming back. Anyway, until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.